Hi everyone, I'm here to do a what's in my bag slash what fits in this bag, you see my son, that I just unboxed and got from Fashionphile. As you can see, the tags are still on because I'm unsure if I want to keep it in my collection or not. And let me just tie this bow. And I've been like trying it. Yeah, Kuya has it. Yeah, and I've been trying it on. I've been trying it on with some outfits, just to see like how I like it, how I can style it, and I'm still unsure because one, the bag is pretty heavy for it being so small. These chains are substantial. It's not too heavy. It's not as heavy as my Chanel Boy chains, but it is fairly heavy. And then this leather is just so delicate, and it's pretty heavy. Like, it's a pretty heavy leather bag too. So, and then this little thing like hits this when I'm like walking, and I think that's how it gets unraveled, like the bow, because it's so heavy down here. So I'm not sure. I mean, I feel like it was a really good deal. However, I don't know if I want to keep it yet. And it sits pretty high on me crossbody, and that's mainly why I wanted it as a crossbody bag, not so much a shoulder bag, because my shoulders, I mean, they're pretty broad, but they still like slide off my shoulders. I don't know if that makes sense. But yes, so I'm gonna show you guys what I can fit in this bag. Oh, another thing is this closure in the front. It's uneven. I don't know if you guys can tell that, but it's pretty uneven, and I don't know, like, it kind of bothers me, but then again it doesn't, because I know that it has to do with like the things I have inside. I don't know. And I haven't tried cleaning any of this because obviously I'm not sure if I want to keep it yet, but I just don't know if I could clean it all the way, besides, you know, sending it to leather surgeons. And then the gold plating, it has rubbed off in some areas, and you can tell depending on which angle you're looking at, it's starting to look silvery and not so gold. But yeah, that's what I've been noticing so far. And let's get into the bag. So the way you open it is you push this down and you just pull it up. So here is the bag, and I just have my keys, a small Smashbox lipstick, and this is in the color Primrose. Hi. Have a receipt. I have my phone, which is the iPhone XS, and I have a pop socket. I have some gum. I have my key clay. I have this big old snack, and this is actually really good. Mama. This brand, and the pistachio kind. Yes, baby. Thank you. Mama. And then, oh, business cards, and then I just have a mascara wand for my lash extensions. But yeah, so it's really tiny, and it fits pretty much the same as a small boy bag. But yeah, and it's indented on the sides and at the bottom, so it actually can fit less than what the exterior looks like. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts if I should keep it or not. And yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.